just a few reminders here as you make your way in the jungle. Remember to keep hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Please supervise your children, you know, because if you don't, I won't. Over here on your right, we're coming up on our first sign of danger. Look at that. I know, quite an explosive joke. Really blew everyone away. But right over here on our right is going to be the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where a so-called archaeologist, Indiana Jones, is looking for some type of treasure. But little does he know, I'm actually right here. I know, I'm quite the gem, some would say. But I hear something growling at us over here on your left. I'm not really quite sure what it is yet, but it's oh, it's an Indo-Chinese tiger. Look at that guy. You know, it says to jump over 50 feet, so luckily we're 30 feet away. But wow, there were 4 snakes earlier this morning. I wonder where the 4th one is, probably somewhere on this boat. And then watch out for Ginger in the water there. Yeah, she snapped. She's one tough cookie. I know, kind of a crummy joke. I really like to joke that one. Alright, go ahead and cover your eyes. I'm going to go ahead and cover mine because we're entering the elephant waiting pool here. And, just kidding, they got their trunks on finally, thank goodness. Yeah, you can take all the pictures you want, free of charge, don't worry about it. And right over here in the shower is going to be Bertha. You know, she's been in that shower for quite some time. All those wrinkles are definitely defying her age. What is this guy doing away from her here? Hey, go back down, buddy. Not the boat, not the boat. Close call. Get out of here. I'm coming back up, go! A little bit of dry humor. Oh, danger. I love danger. Well, I guess you could say they really went bananas here, not did they? Yeah, look at that Jeep right over there. And see, they left the lights on again. Oh my goodness. However, they're going to turn it over later. Alright, let's go ahead and get out of here. At this point of the cruise, let's point out some of our favorite plants here. The one on the right over there, and probably that one somewhere over there, and that one right over there. Alright, for right in front of us here is Schweitzer Falls. You know, I don't want to go into it just quite yet because we're going to be going over it in just a little bit, I promise you. Don't forget about it. So as we turn right here though, we're making our way down the Nile River. You know, it tends to go on for miles, and miles, and miles. And if you don't believe me, I guess you're just in. There we go, some of us are in the same boat. Over there on your left is going to be an African bull elephant. You know, they say there's only one of those in existence. What a rare creature to find. They say they're hardly ever out. Oh, don't look at that. Alright, friends, we're now entering the African middle part of our cruise. And you know, some say this is sandstone in front of me, but honestly it's a beaut, if you were to really ask me. But a lot of you guys are in for a treat. We got some zebras out, some giraffes, some gazelles. Don't know what those are, but wow, I know what that is over there. Yeah, that zebra's dead. Tired? Dead tired, yeah. He's really resting in peace, guarded by those lions for the rest of his life. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. Don't look too hard this way, I'm gonna look the other way. That's Skipper Felix. You know, he didn't really get the point to go in and come back to work now, did he? Alright, just a little the other way, not that word. But, oh dear! Sorry, just had to point out some deer over there. Got a little excited. Alright, look at that. We're now entering the hidden hippo pool. And, you know, I was told that when the hippos start moving their ears and we see a lot of bubbling, you know, they're probably going to charge the boat. But don't worry, though. We didn't accept cash here, so you can say we're in good hands, alright? Oh, they're charging the boat. Go ahead and cover your ears. Back there, and this is making me look even worse. You know, they said anyone could do my job, even a monkey could do it. And well, they're pretty much right about it, because right here, friends, we got ourselves a shipwreck. The guy at the end there, he's really painting the evidence that he crashed that boat. I guess you could say they all took the vow, now didn't they? If you look over here on your left, just between those two plants, yeah, absolutely nothing. actually over here on our left is going to be my two best friends here at the jungle. The one on the left, her name's Jeanette, and then the one on the right, her name's Annette. Yeah, she's a real good cat. She gives me butterflies, honestly. Oh my god, I'm getting nervous. Alright, as we approach the eighth wonder of the world, well besides myself, the number one on that list, we're going to be going over the one, the only backside of water! Some of us are on board, but the rest of you, I was really hoping we have a little bit more chemistry there. I know, I guess you could say my jokes just periodically got worse for everyone. I know, I get taken for granted quite often, but you know, I just have to tell myself it's one of my bolder attractions here. All of a sudden, do seem a little jaded by my jokes, so we're going to wipe the slate clean and just get on out of here. Python. You know what they say about pythons? They're about 3.141596 feet long. Quite a constricting joke, I know. And unfortunately, we made it to our final destination of the morning here. We made it to Trader Sam's gift shop. You want to go ahead and look at that monkey on top there? Yeah, he's going for a world record. Look at that guy go. Oh my goodness. He's been going in circles forever. Kind of like me. Alright, let's go ahead and get on out of here. Congratulations everyone, you survived the world famous jungle cruise. Give yourself a round of applause, you did it! Yay! As we approach the dock, please make sure to keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. We don't want to damage the boat or the dock in any type of way. Well, you guys have been quite the outstanding crew. We laughed, we cried. I tried harder than every one of you deep down inside. But unfortunately, I need to have you all outstanding somewhere else on that dock. So with that, I'm going to leave you with two last words here. Get out. Well, it's still rude to me.